welcome to a very special edition of Minden's that we're doing just for Bexley Living Magazine live today. And we have some friends here with us today because we are testing out something very special that is in our September issue of Bexley Living Magazine. And it's Big Mac in a bowl. So how many of you like McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you ever have a Big Mac?
Yeah. I
Okay.
actually haven't.
Who has it?
Me.
Oh my God! Well, you're in for a great taste treat today, and we're going to make one without bread, so that's why we call it a Big Mac in a bowl. Does anyone know what's in a Big Mac?
The things that are made.
Yes, it's 2 all beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, but we don't have a sesame seed bun. So today I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's so easy that you can make this now that it's back to school. Sometimes your moms may want to go through the drive-thru because you're busy with soccer or football or dance or whatever, all the fun things you do. And it's easy to go through a drive-thru, but it takes time and it's not as healthy as if you make it at home. So I'm going to show you how fast and easy you can do this at home. If your mom, all she has to do is, we took lean ground beef. Laura's lean ground beef only has 4% fat in it. And if you are vegetarian or follow a kosher lifestyle and you want to use Gardein meat, you can find it right here at our own Bexley Co-op, and that would be a good solution for you. And we take our handy-dandy chopping tool, you chop up all your ground beef. This is so lean that I don't even have to drain it. There's hardly any fat in it. So we're going to show you how easy it is. This cast iron is still a little hot because we just heated up the meat. And what I did was I already prepared this, and as parents, if you want to have it all ready and you can do it like a Taco Tuesday style, this shredded lettuce you can get right, it's already shredded, as well as the onions already diced, so you don't have to do anything. And you can get that right here at our own Giant Eagle. And then to make our special sauce, we take tartar sauce this is from Trader Joe's, so you're going to have to hike over to Easton for this one. I find this to be the best sauce to mix with Heinz ketchup, or you can get anywhere for your special sauce, and it's in equal ratio. So if you're using 2 tablespoons of the ketchup, you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons of the tartar sauce. And when I tell you this tastes identical, trust me, because I've been eating Big Macs for years. Okay guys, so we're going to just kind of do this like an assembly line. So the first thing we're doing is we're going to take the lettuce, flip this around and show you how easy it is. Okay, and you're going to start with putting some lettuce in your bowls. So just take the tongs, you can go first, my dear. Put a little lettuce in your bowl. There you go. You can put more in, as much lettuce as you want. That is super. And then pass it down. We're going to all fill our bowls with lettuce. This is really easy, guys. Great. And the cheese comes shredded also. It's mild cheddar cheese, and the onions, I told you, came diced. Now, our pickles. This is a special thing. Now, I already chopped up the pickles, just so your little ones don't have to fuss with a knife, but the pickles I got at Block's Bagels, and what's special about the pickles is they are Corky and Lenny pickles. So any of our Cleveland fans here know that Corky and Lenny's is a Cleveland staple, and they have the best pickles, and we're so lucky that our own Block's Bagels carries those pickles. So you guys are doing a fabulous job with the lettuce. So next what we're going to do is, after the lettuce, we take onions, and it's just about a spoonful. Onions, go ahead, you start first and put some onions, just a spoonful, because too much, because they are raw, they're not cooked, unless you love onions. Here you go. Oh. Here you go, sweetie. You got your onions? Okay. And go ahead and take some onions and put it on. There you go. Onions for you. Now this is not only easy, but it makes for a fun family night too, and easy cleanup. I mean, we're going to have a little lettuce over here, but besides that, it's easy cleanup. Okay, then next you're going to put some pickles on your top of your lettuce and your onions. So go ahead, take some pickles. Those are onions. Here, hold on. Oh.
No, I know.
Oh, okay. So put some pickles. Those pickles are amazing. And here, I think you might be right. Maybe you need a spoon for extra pickles. So after the pickles, we're going to add our meat, our cheese, and then top it off with our special sauce. And then you guys will taste it and tell me what you think. Okay? Although you've never had a Big Mac, so you're going to have to tell me what you think. Okay? Now, Almost there, guys. Okay. There you go. So 2 of you can, okay, so now, here, I'm going to top it off with some beef for each of you. So here we go. Hand me your bowls. There's that. I'll take yours right here. And then yours right here. And Big Macs are not low in calories, but guess what? This tasty substitute only has 294 calories a serving. That's right. And these little bowls probably have a little bit less because we didn't fill them all the way to the top. Let's put some cheese on there. Okay, well, here we go. And then last but not least is our special sauce. Everyone has a fork. Dig in, so you could call it Big Mac in a bowl. Hold on, wait, before you dig in, I want to take a picture of this real quick. You guys see what it looks like. And we're going to eat it in a second because we want to get a picture. And then we will tell you how it is in 1 second. Any moms with the camera? Come on in. We'll take a picture. Come on, moms. Come on, moms. We got our moms right here. I just want to get a picture of the bowl, okay? And then we'll do group pictures after, but... Okay, did you get it? Yep. All right, dig in, let me know what you think. And this is Big Mac in a bowl, special for our Bexley Living readers for this September's issue of Bexley Living magazine. How is it?
Really good.
Okay, there you go. Enjoy, and thank you for reading Bexley Living.